So we're here in the Aria and we're gonna play Crazy Rich Asians. I've never seen this show. It looks like it would be fun, but this machine's been around for a little while. But we're just gonna play $1.50. And I like the clips are fun. It looks like their play button is not working, so we're gonna have to hit the 150 every time. So on reels 1 and 2, it pays left to right on consecutive reels. So any diamond can trigger the jackpot feature. I see, so the diamonds are collecting in the middle. That's nice, they pay you on the first 2 rows, just keep 2 of the same. Ideal, of course, would be to get the wheel. So there's 3. Okay, there's the ring. That was nice, but I think I need to get some more than that. So there's a few of those. Definitely want to get those all together. It's always fun when they show you clips to the movie. Oh, look at those diamonds grow. Wow. It's a ring. Very nice. So we'll be back if we get the bonus. 3. Okay, so we got some free games. So we got the 3 emerald rings. So we have to choose which one. Triple up, 10 up. I always usually like to do the middle one. So we're gonna do 12 free games. So it goes up a little bit, but not all the way. Oh my gosh. So it goes all the way up. It's crazy. Okay, so here we go. Definitely need more. Yep, 3rd one. And that was nice. That was 12. I needed something. Oh, it's a 90 gold. Up, triple up. Here we go. There we go. That's about time. Very nice. Oh, nice. Come on. Oh, yeah. Keep going. Oh, darn. Well, at least I got those. That's nice. And I have 6 spins left. That's funny. Oh, it's a big win. That was... I still have 4 spins left. I think it must have triggered that diamond pile. That was cool. Or no, maybe not. It was just, oh no, just because it was that lady all the way across. Very nice. It'd be nice to get all back that I spent. Well, that's good. Almost 50 bucks. Yep, another one. Oh, darn. 3 more spins left. Yep, one more. One more. Nope. And 1 spin left. 50 bucks. That's not bad. And the money falls. Isn't that funny? There we go. Still down a little, but that's okay. But that was fun. So we'll just do a couple of backup spins just because. And one more. I think we're gonna stop right there. Just make sure you join and subscribe to the weird and wild adventures. You never know where we're gonna end up. So feel free to comment below. Tell me what you like to see, and we'll be off on our new adventure. So we are back at the Cosmopolitan, and we're gonna play Crazy Rich Asians. I'm not a huge fan of this one. I've never seen the show. This was actually a show. And Lloyd's doing the same one. So maybe between us both, we might find ourselves to be able to get a bonus of some kind. I found this one to be hard to get a bonus. We need 3 or more of those emerald rings, and if you get one of the coins, pays left to right. Any diamond can trigger the jackpot feature, so there's a diamond, it adds to my pile. 3 or more of those emerald rings get you a free game. Reels 1 and 2 triggers a crazy fortune figure, so we have to get like a, uh-oh, something's going on. Uh-oh, getting a smooch. Oh, double up, here we go. Uh-oh. Crazy fortune, go, go, go. Go, go, go. Very nice, keep going. All right, look at that. That was very nice. Huh? Because I got coins on the first and second in a row, and then it adds that. So woohoo, big win. Which with a big win to them was $10.95. So you needed to have those coins in the second 1 and 2. 1 and 2, and it activates that. Yes. So you can see it tells you everything right above, right below your diamond bowl. Yeah, it tells you stuff there. They show some scenes right there. I need another. Yeah, I need 3 of them for free games. There's 1. But see that they show like different film clips, I guess, of the show. I had never even heard of the show. But we've seen the slot, so I thought, well, that looks like fun. Oh, the wheel. That would be nice to do the wheel. To the diamonds. Another one. Oh, bummer. But I got 3 of the guys. Give me a tiny line win. So I'm just betting the 75 cents. So you get the crazy fortune. But if you want with the boost, you have to bet at least $3. So I'm like, I don't think so. That's a little rich for my blood. I'm a low slot player. I always enjoy the clips. Ooh, that would have been a nice one. 11.25. One more. Oh, darn. Oh, one more. Come on, you can do it. Did you? Oh, good for you. He got a crazy fortune too over there. Got a little bit of a win. That was just a little bit. That's a tiny bit. Okay.
good hand.
$6. I got that guy. That's the thing about playing these when you don't know the show. You don't know some of the references. Whereas you might be laughing or something more, you know, if you saw some of the references. But it doesn't mean you can't play it and have fun. One more. Oh, darn. I haven't had a crazy fortune in a while. Oh, he got 3! He got 3 games! Very nice! Boy, you won 3 games. See, select your free games. Oh no! Which one? He did the 10. So he gets more, and it's gonna go all the way up. Oh, maybe not. I thought it was gonna go all the way up. Nothing yet. He's got 6 spins left. Oh man. No. Oh, there you go. Come on, second one. Oh, darn. Uh-oh, something's going on. Yeah, so now he's got 5 more. So 5 more, 10 additional spins. Let's see what he does. Oh, something else going on. Just get more? Or no, quadruple up. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, that's crazy. Look at all that. That's awesome. Very good. Oh my gosh, come on, another one. Good job. Another one, and another one. Very nice. That was a good one. That was really good. So now they're going to add them all up. Let's see what he gets. It's a lot to add up. Ah, it was for $21.93. There you go.
I still have 9 left.
And 9 more free spins left. Yeah. 1860 that was. 9 spins left. Oh, there you go, little line win.
Okay.
Okay. She looks like a party girl. If any of you guys have watched this show, chime in and let me know what you thought about it, because I didn't know anything about it. diamond pile to go, maybe. Maybe, possibly. What you all think I should do? Stay or go? I'm waiting for the diamond pile to go. Something different. Jackpot feature activated! Yay! Oh my gosh, it goes all the way up. There's the jackpot. Match 3. Oh no! I have to choose items. Oh crap. Oh, okay. We're gonna do that one. We're gonna do the chair. And that one. Purple shoes. No, 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 no. The present. Uh-oh.
Miner's $20.
I know. Maybe the blue.
Grand.
Glasses.
Major is $500.
Wow. The pink purse. Pink purse. Woo. Okay. Oh my God, Lloyd.
Need a grand or a major.
So the pink necklace or the green necklace? Which do we do?
I'm not sure.
Oh, this is so hard. Let's go with we'll go with the green. Oh no! No matter what I pick.
Max is $200. So it comes down to this one.
The watch, the yellow necklace, I win. I know, right? We always think it's rigged.
If it comes out minor, it's rigged.
I keep getting drawn to the pink necklace and it's probably wrong.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do it. Ah, minor.
$20.
$20. I knew I shouldn't have picked it.
I was thinking the glasses.
But you should have said. Will they even tell you? I'm terrible at
I
picking.
think it's rigged anyway.
Oh yeah, I think you're right. I think it's probably rigged anyway. At least I got to do that though.
Yeah, I think it's not gonna let you do those unless you got.
Let's buy the big money, yeah. Spend the big one, then fine.
That's good.
I know, that was fun. See, they have it down here too. You could choose it from down there. At least I got the jackpot for that was fun. Oh yeah, that was fun. Oh my gosh. All right, so we gotta do a couple backup spins just because we do.
Yeah.
There we go. Okay, now we're out of here. Thank you, crazy rich Asians. Make sure you guys do like and subscribe to WhatsUpWanda for some more crazy, wild, and weird adventures.